Okay. Fifth sum. Find the symmetric difference between the following sets. Symmetric difference means A. Symmetric difference, you already know about the formula. A del B equal to A minus B union B minus A. First of all, you are subtracting A minus B, then B minus A, then union of these two. Okay. So what they given? P equal to this value, P my set and Q. They given the two sets P and Q. I directly written like this. So what is the solution? You are going to find out your symmetric. So symmetric, you should write fully. I am writing a shortcut. SD. I am writing symmetric is a SD. Symmetric difference you should write fully. So A del B equal to A minus B union B minus A. Okay, that's what we are going to find out. But first of all, we know A minus B, then B minus A. So I am going to find out my A minus B. So what is my A? In this place I am having P. What is my B? In this place I am having Q. Okay. So I am find out my 2, 3, 5, 7, 11 minus 1, 3, 5, 11. Okay. So what are the common values you have? That's you are going to subtract. So in this place 3 is common, so I am neglecting 3. This place 5, so 5. 11, so 11. So the except values 2 and 7 is a new. Okay. Is a different. So 2 and 7 is a balanced value, right? This is my first one, first equation. I am taking first equation for my convenient. The next one B minus A means in this place Q minus A. So Q minus P. So what are alphabet they given? You should use that only. This is a normal format to a symmetric difference. So you should convert this for your convenient. Okay. So what is the Q value? 1, 3, 5, 11 minus 2, 3, 5, means ulta, means opposite. So this place 3, 3 cancel. 1 is not there. 5 is there. So 5 and cancel. So 11 and 11 cancel. So balance I am getting 1. So I am 1. So I am union 1 and 2 equation. So union of. So what you are going to write means P minus Q union of Q minus P. That's you are going to write, right? That is P del B Q. So what is the union? 2, 7 union 1. So what is a union? Union means gathering the values. So I am writing the least value 1. The second is 2. For my convenient I am writing. So what is my P del Q is nothing but 1, 2, 7. Are you clear? The same only we are having the balance 2 sums. This is for your homework. Second and third. Then the sixth question. Use the set symbol. Write down the expressions for the shaded region in the following. So if they given the equation like this, if you have A union B means you can draw the diagram. But they given the diagram, you should find out your set. What set they given? Okay, that's only we are going to find out. So the first diagram, what they given. Okay, you should use a coin for a diagram. Okay. So in your book, what they mention? XY union. Okay. In this place I am having the sixth question is I am having the set like this for the given the Venn diagram. For my convenient, now I draw like this. Okay, you should draw perfectly. You should draw neatly. So in this place I am having X and Y. So what they mention? I am having a Y plays alone. Y plays alone. I am having. That means what you did? You are neglecting your overall X value. So how can I write Y minus X? Y minus X, if you give a Y minus X means how we write? Y minus X means how can we write? this is my x, this is my y means y. So I am neglecting my x part. So overall part, this part also I am neglected, right? So I am shaded this region, that only they given. Okay, if you are very familiar about the set means you can directly tell this what's going on. So x and y is a union, okay, but they shading a outer region. So except a x union y, this is a x union y. This overall part, this circle is a x union y. So except this means this value means complement, right? So I can write this overall box is a universal set. So universal set minus this part is what? You can write like that also. This part is what? A union B. This is for full set is the universal set minus this union means how can we say this? Union means universal set minus A union B means how can we say A union B whole complement? That is a formula, right? In last class also we did. A union B complement means union minus A union B. That only in this place we have. That only in this place we have union universal set minus my x minus my in this place. So u minus x union y equal to x union y complement except that x and y. Okay, for understanding purpose I am having A union B. I am writing A union. But in your book they given xy means you should write x and y. Okay, don't change your alphabet words. So in this place what they given? Universal set. So we no need to mention your universal set. Only comparing x and y. So what they given? This is x part alone. Okay. This is x part alone. This is y part alone. So for my convenience, for what is my x minus y? X minus y diagram. How can we draw? For example, I am drawing. Okay. X minus y. This is my x. This is my y. X minus y means I need x part alone. Common part is neglected. This overall part is neglected. The same purpose, y minus x. How can I draw? Right. The x, this is y. So, this part is neglected. So, I need y alone. Right. I need a y alone. We already did in this place. So, y alone. So, if I am, so this part only, I am neglecting this intersection. If I am adding, if I am union of these two value, I am getting, this is shaded and this is shaded. For example, x minus y union y minus x. What is the union? Union of this. Union means I am gathering. So, x, y. Shaded x value. So, I am shading this part. In this place, y. Okay. So, I can write this. This and this is similar, right? So, I can write this diagram as x minus y union y minus x. I can write now. So, x minus y union y minus x. If you are familiar about the set means you can directly write. Okay. If you have any confusion, you should solve like this and try to answer. Okay. So in the first question, they given the Venn diagram like this. So x and y. Use the set symbol. Write down the expression of the shaded region in the following. We already learned about the set symbol, right? A complement, A union, intersection like that. We already learned, right? So by using the shading region, you should write your set symbol. Okay. So what is a set symbol in this place? So I am having a diagram like this. So this is my x, this is my full y. So what they mentioned, except y means y minus. So each and every value of x you should neglect it. That only given in this diagram. So I can write this as y minus x. In this place what they mentioned, this is a overall box is a universal set. So minus of x and y. X and y means union of these two, right? So I can write universal set neglecting x union y. This two circle means I can write complement. X union y complement means I am neglecting. We already know about this set symbol, right? So I am writing by using the set symbol. So in this place I didn't know how they are made this. So I already know about the difference. Okay, I already know about the symmetric difference, right? So by using that I will try that notation. So x minus y. So what is our normal notation? So I need a y alone, x alone. So except that y means I am getting this value. Y minus x I already know in the first sum onwards. I can draw like this. So I am adding this for my convenient. I am doing by using this symmetric difference. Okay, for my convenience, whether it is okay or not, I don't know, right? So just I am trying in this place. So I am adding this, means I am union this. I am getting the similar diagram. So what is my notation? X minus y union y minus x is for this question my notation. Okay.